Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to update Samsung TV by USB. Let's go. Step 1. Open Samsung.com. Support, Manuals and Software, TV, Find your TV, Firmware, Download, Open Archive, transfer all files to pendrive, connect the pendrive to your TV, open Settings, all settings, support, software update, yes, that's it. Now you know how to update Samsung TV by USB. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.